Yeah, g'day, it's Mark here. I'm out with the CTX 3030. It's a pretty windy day today. I'm just actually digging with the pick today. It's just pretty muddy today too. I'm just in at one of the ruins I've been doing. It's got that second vent, and it's a trader's token. So it's pretty cool. Don't know which one it is yet. Just see on that side. The ground's really muddy here. I'm trying to get this out of the wind because it's really trying to go. I can see 1868 just on the bottom of that. Trying to get some mud off this side. It's terrible. It's been raining here pretty well the last week or so. Hopefully it's a nice rare token. Mud all over it. I'm sorry about the wind and that. Not going to help, but I'll try and film as best I can. And summing up, I can see what's written on it. Just going to put it in my bag there. Wipe it on the pants. It'll stir the missus up a bit. As it does. Actually, it looks like a Holloway. Yeah, you just see Professor Holloway on that. That's a pretty common token, but a token nonetheless. Anyway, I'll keep hunting, see what else I can come up with. Got a few buttons today, but pretty slim pickings here at the moment.